Welcome to our channel Learn with Bhavishya. Today our topic is body parts. So let us start our class. You know one thing, each part of our body has a special name. What is this? Head. What is this? Hair. What is this? Teeth. What is this? Tongue. What is this? Ears. What is this? Eyes. What is this? Nose. What is this? Hands. What is this? Fingers. What is this? Legs. What is this? Trunk. And what is this? It's foot. Thank you.